Hi, I was driving last night my 2006 Nissan Altima S2.5S and I have some misfire problem from one of my cylinders. So I checked today, it's a cylinder 1 misfire, and I'm gonna try to so so I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna remove the top cover. So I remove the top cover. So the cylinder 1 is this. It's so I'm gonna replace this one. I have an old one. I did replace like a 7 month ago and still giving me same problem. So I'm gonna check this. I'm gonna take it out, put it in the old one. I'm gonna see how it work. So that's a cylinder 1. If it's something wrong with this, it's gonna be like this one is misfire. So I use a 10 milli sock to remove this screw. Also I pull the spark plug. Plug look fine. So I'm gonna reinstall spark plug and use my old coil. So last time I changed, they have a good one. Only one cylinder 1 was bad, so I'm gonna take the other one, old one. So I'm gonna replace and I'm gonna see how it work. So I put back together. See this one. So I'm gonna see inside. I'm gonna start my car up. I'm gonna fire the engine. I'm gonna see what happened. So I do most everything at home. So I'm gonna see how you go. So I fire up the engine. See, engine running smooth, everything. So I was driving last night and I keep cutting, and also the light is gone. It's showing like a blink, start blinking service light. So when you guys have any problem like this, and you can do it by yourself, you don't have to take to mechanic, and it's not too hard to fix. Just change the coil and that's all. And if you have to change a spark plug, you do it. I did change like a couple of months ago, and I just changed the coil. I have an old one, I have a new one. I put a new one away and put an old one. I have a good old one. I take it out from 6 months ago. Like I replace everything. So that's all. If you like my video, please share, like and subscribe my channel. And I need you guys' support. Thank you. Have a good one.